So here's the NOMA Aspen, aka SMC Scandinavian, that I got for Christmas. Finished installing it yesterday. Didn't want to make a video till the next day, unfortunately. So flip on the switch, the LED light bulb comes on in there. So no, doesn't take a halogen or candelabra base bulb anymore. And I'm honestly a bit disappointed because when I do the dimmer, the bulb does flicker. So that's the light. And getting to the fan, I'm going to start on high actually, because I'm pretty disappointed about high speed. Luckily enough, it does eventually get quiet. It's blowing good air though. But that noise is driving me nuts. Careful not to hit. Oh shoot. Medium. Low. I'm not sure if you people can hear the bearing noise that's coming from it. And here's one thing I'm not getting. If I turn off the light, leave the fan on, put the remote down, and turn off the switch, fan turns off obviously, right? But when I flip it back on, only the light comes on and the fan doesn't. So that's something that's not quite making sense to me. Ouch. And one thing I've realized about this newest generation of the Scandinavian, these parts here, the so-called blade decoratives or brackets, are a lot bigger than the ones on the older Scandinavian. So for some reason they made these bigger and more flatter. I'm not sure if you people can tell, but these are a lot bigger and they're flatter now, which means they're cheaper, which is obvious. And another thing I'm not getting is how NOMA redesigned it. So, as you know, there should be 6 screws at the top here, and you only remove 3 to put on the canopy. But there's only 3 holes on the canopy now, and 3 screws on top of this motor housing. So when I took the 3 screws out to attach the canopy to it, this entire thing came off easily, and you get to see, and you can actually access the motor. And it's definitely a lot cheaper. And yeah. I almost wonder if I should have installed this on the down out or not, but my ceiling is low. And my hand goes all the way up to here. So, probably not. Just got a lot of stuff in my room I gotta clean out. So yeah, there's the NOMA Aspen SMC Scandinavian fan. I'm not happy that it makes noise on high. And you can tell it's the bearings because right as I press off, it stops. So, let's see here. Turn off the light. So yeah, it takes 11 watt max LED bulbs now. So, no more halogen, no more candelabra base, which kind of sucks. And in the instructions, if I can find them, where did I put them? Let's see if I can find the page. Okay. NOMA Aspen. It's got all this on it. Remote control, LED bulb, blah 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 blah. Where do you install the bulb part? Yeah. Yeah, in the instructions it looks like it says you put a halogen bulb. Isn't that a halogen bulb in that person's fake fingers? So yeah, what a rant. So yeah, I am kind of happy now. I've wanted one of these for years, and a complaint I have is that the screws that I used to hold the canopy did strip quite a bit. So yeah, I'm not sure if you people can see that. I couldn't screw it in all the way and it stripped. So I honestly want to give this fan 2 stars, honestly. Write a review on it on the Canadian Tire website, because on the Canadian Tire website, noise is like a big complaint that people have on it, and so yeah, there's the SMC Scandinavian.